Presenting our project called Nodemcu Iot Starter Learning Kit. Our team members are Madam Nuur Maisya, Mr. Ahmad Farid, and Madam Kafiza. We are from Electrical Engineering Department, Politeknik Sultan Haji Ahmad Shah. First, let me introduce to you what is IoT. The IoT is a giant network refers to the billions of physical devices around the world that are now connected to the internet. Meanwhile, the IoT Development Board is a hardware construction used to create models of the inventions of the designer, which is to develop and demonstrate the IoT applications. This project will overcome these three main issues, which are high cost to purchase the components and the IoT developing boards in markets, due to the messy hardware connection, and takes a lot of time to troubleshoot why the circuit didn't work instead of focused on the programming itself. The objectives of our projects are: first, to design a low-cost IoT development board for DEP30083 telecommunication networks course by using ESP8266. Secondly, to build an easy and handy IoT board. And last but not least, to let students or beginners get hands-on experience on creating IoT projects step-by-step conveniently. This is our project's milestone. We started in March 2022 with the first prototype on April 2022, and the final product has been successfully completed on July 2022. Next, we have been through 7 steps to accomplish our goals. This is the 3D layout design by EasyEDA online software. Now, let's take a look at our IoT board features. We will show to you how to get started with this IoT board. First step, go to the Blink website. Next, sign up using registered Gmail address. Then, simply create new template. After that, create the buttons. Then, set up the web dashboard. Set up the Arduino IDE. Finally, click the buttons and have fun! Moreover, you can control the switch by using your smartphone. Next, from the pre-test and the post-test results, it shows that the raised students' performance on IoT applications. 98% of our students satisfied with this project. Next, these are 4 novelties of our project: low cost, organized, time-saving, and easy for maintenance. As a conclusion, this Nodemcu Iot Starter Learning Kit helps teaching and learning easier and interesting. That's all from us. Thank you.